Have you come across DustaPro and wondered whether it's actually a smart cleaning solution or just another product making big promises online? DustaPro has been getting a lot of attention lately because it's marketed as a simple way to keep your floors clean without all the hassle that comes with modern smart devices. But does it really live up to the hype? In this video, we're going to look at what DustaPro claims to offer and some important concerns you should know before deciding whether it's worth your money. According to its marketing, DustaPro is designed to solve one of the biggest frustrations people have with modern appliances: unnecessary complexity. Many automated cleaners today require mobile apps, wireless connections, software updates, and complicated setup processes before you can even start using them. DustaPro claims to eliminate all of that. It's promoted as a straightforward cleaning device that works right out of the box, giving users spotless floors without physical strain, technical knowledge, or setup headaches. For people who simply want an easy and convenient cleaning experience, those claims can sound very appealing. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, while the idea behind DustaPro may sound attractive, there are several concerns that potential buyers should consider. One of the biggest red flags is the way it's marketed. DustaPro is often presented as a complete replacement for traditional vacuum cleaners. However, based on the features described, it appears to function more like a basic robot vacuum intended for light maintenance, cleaning rather than deep cleaning. If you're expecting it to fully replace a powerful vacuum cleaner, you may end up disappointed. Another concern involves the heavy use of discount tactics. The product is frequently advertised with massive limited-time discounts and countdown timers that create a sense of urgency. These strategies can pressure people into making quick purchasing decisions before they've had enough time to research the product properly. There's also the issue of independent reviews. At the moment, there seem to be very few verified customer reviews available on trusted third-party platforms. Without a large number of genuine user experiences, it's difficult to assess how reliable the product is over the long term or whether most customers are actually satisfied with their purchase. The customer feedback that does exist appears to be mixed. Some buyers have reported that the device doesn't perform as well as expected, particularly when dealing with carpets, pet hair, or larger debris. While others may find it useful for basic maintenance, these reports suggest that its capabilities may not match the impressive results shown in advertisements. Potential buyers should also pay attention to possible billing concerns. Some independent review sites have mentioned complaints involving order cancellations and refund experiences. Although these reports appear to be limited, they're still worth considering before placing an order online. Another important point is that there doesn't seem to be evidence supporting claims that DustaPro uses revolutionary technology. The features highlighted in its advertisements are very similar to those found in many inexpensive robot vacuums already available in the market. In other words, the product may not be as groundbreaking as the marketing suggests. Finally, there's the expectation versus reality gap. Advertisements often show perfectly clean floors achieved with little to no effort. But in real-world situations, performance can vary depending on factors such as floor type, room layout, furniture placement, and the amount of dirt that needs to be cleaned. What works well in a controlled advertisement may not always deliver the same results in every home. At the end of the day, DustaPro may be useful for some people looking for a simple cleaning device for light maintenance. However, the marketing claims should be approached with realistic expectations. Before making a purchase, take some time to research independent reviews, compare alternatives, and carefully review the company's refund policies. Doing your homework can help you avoid disappointment and make a more informed decision.